Hi everyone. So today we'll be seeing how to draw the data bar automatically for the particular range of value. So here we do have a salary column. So for this salary column we can see how we can draw the data bar automatically. The data bar is nothing but the horizontal bar which will be displayed automatically depending upon the values available in the column. So for that first we need to select the column to be displayed with the data bar. So once it is selected, select on conditional formatting. Here we do have different types of data bars. See, these are all different colors of data bars. So we can select anything we require. The color, this is solid bar. So the gradient bar at the end it will be with the light color. The solid bar is at the end also will be having a solid color. Whichever color we require, it can be selected. So I'll select the solid bar. So here if you see the maximum value is 62,000. I'm sorry. The 62,000 is filled totally in the cell. Okay. So if you see the minimum value here, the minimum value is 50,000. So for 50,000, you can see the minimum number of bar will be filled in the cell. So like this we can enter any range in the future, and if we copy and format it accordingly, the bar will be updated. Okay, thank you.